Welcome to the T-Rex Hour of Code activity by HatchXR. In this activity, you are going to build your very own 3D T-Rex game like the one that you see here. As you move through all the steps of the activity, you will learn how to code the different functionalities of the game, such as making the dino move forward in a straight line, randomly generating the obstacles in the dino's path, making the dino jump when you press the space key, and implementing the game over and restart game logic when the dino collides with any of the obstacles. Alright, so let's get started. So this is the step 1 of the T-Rex game. And here you have a very simple goal of making this dino move forward along the straight path. And you can do that by placing the move dino forward block inside the when play button click block. Also, if you want to add some background music to your game, you can place this play background music block inside the when play button click block. And you can now even select the background music option from this drop down menu. So once your code is ready, all you have to do is click on this green play button here, and you will see that as per your code, your dino will move forward and you should also hear some background music playing. Voila,